everyone, I am Afida from Habada channel. Today we are going to learn basic uses of numbers from 0 to 10. So let's start it. Use number 1 is comparison. Here I have one egg, 1 and 1. 1 equal 1. 1 equal 1. 1 equal 1. 2 eggs and 2 eggs. 2 equals 2. 2 equals 2. 2 equals 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1 is less than 2. 1 is less than 2. 1 is less than 2. 2 and 3. 2 is less than 3. The number 2 is less than the number 3. 2 is less than 3. 2 and 1. 2 and 1. 2 is greater than 1. 2 is greater than 1. The number 2 is greater than the number 1. 2 is greater than 1. Number 4, 4, 4. Number 2, 2. Number 4 is greater than number 2. 4 is greater than 2. 4 is greater than 2. The use number 2 is addition. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 1 equals 3. 2 plus 1 equals 3. 2 plus 1 equals 3. 3 plus 1 equals 4. 3 plus 1 equals 4. The use number 3 is subtraction. 2 minus 1 equal 1. 2 minus 1 equal 1. 3 minus 1 equals 2. 5 minus 2 equals 3. 4 minus 0 equals 4. 4 minus 0 equals 4. Use number 4 is multiplication. I have 2. Multiplied by 2. 2 multiplied by 2 equal 4. 2 multiplied by 3 2 multiplied by 3, 1, 2, 3. 2 multiplied by 3 equals 6. 3 multiplied by 2, 1, 2. 3 multiplied by 2 equals 6. 2 multiplied by 1, 1. 2 multiplied by 1 equals 2. 2 multiplied by 1 equals 2. 3 multiplied by 1 equals 3. The use number 5 is division. 4x divided by 2 equals 2. 2 here and 2 here. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. 2 eggs here and 2 eggs here. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. 3 here and 3 here. 8 divided by 2, 4. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 divided by 2 equals 5. 10 divided by 2 equals 5. 4 divided by 4 4 divided by 4 equal 1. 1, 1, 1. 4 divided by 4 equal 1. Bye and see you in the next video.